it's me, Blinky again. Today I'm in Kanchanaburi and I'm gonna ride a horse at Chaowanat Horse Farm Resort because it's also a resort. I think I'll show the room later. Last year I came here and I didn't know how to canter at that time. So
You joined me a trail ride, right?
yeah, and it rained. So let's say my mom's horse wanted to go back home because it's raining. My mom's horse,
Run.
yeah, but I was at the back of that horse.
And then,
And I mean, you know, they're herd animals, so it's their habit that
Right.
they follow each other. So yeah, my horse canter and I scream, and my mom was like, scream.
yes, I scream too.
Yeah. Well, let's see if I can handle them well this time. I hope so. I'm having my breakfast before the ride. So I have eggs. I think this is pork, I think. I don't think I'll be eating this though.
What's the horse name?
Million?
Okay, Million. Say hi to Million.
Hello,
ขึ้นมาเลย จ๋าก็นี่ไงเดี๋ยวน้ำอยู่ตรงนู้นแล้ว เฮ้ย Daddy มิเลียน กินไหมไม่กินน่ะ อ้าวก็หนูอยากเปียกไม่ใช่เหรอลูก
มันจะกระเด็นใส่หน้าเมเลียนนะ ได้กับอยาก
กินใหญ่เลยอ่ะ ของมันมีกินไหมอ่ะกินแล้วเหรอ สไปซี่กินแล้วจิงกี้ระวังหนามนะลูก Nice view, right? Dine. You don't have to have
Okay, so I finished the horse riding and it feels great. Let's say relaxing because I didn't really get to canter, but it's kind of satisfying. I love it.
No, I mean you canter a lot. I mean you canter.
I mean, I canter, yes, but most of the trip I walk and trot.
What's the issue?
The issue is like my horse, it keeps on bouncing and it's like Western saddle. I'm not really used to it. I feel like it's when I bounce, it feels hard and my butt hurts.
ใช่เหรอ
So I decided not to cut.
But she's not
Yeah.
familiar with the Western saddle.
Yeah. Why that eye? That's creepy, you know. Anyways, that's it for today. So bye. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go in the room. Let's say I'm back to the room to come take a shower. This is the third room. Yeah. So this is the two beds.
didn't
We
make
kind
the
of
bed.
slept in it already. Yeah, we were already here. This is the refrigerator. This is the TV. We didn't even really leave.
Let's get a shower.
And this is the bathroom.
Oh.
The best part of the room. Just kidding.